Namaste children. This video is for class 3. I welcome you all for today's science class. Children, in the previous class, you all have learned the parts of a plant. Do you remember children? Yes. So, what is this? Roots. What is this children? Stem. What is this? Bud. And what is this? Fruit. You all love to eat fruit, isn't it? And what is this? Leaf. What is this children? Flower. You all love flower, isn't it? So, now you know the parts of a plant. Can you tell me which one is called the kitchen of the plant or food factory of the plant? Okay, let me give one clue children. For you, who prepares the food? Yes, mother prepares the food. In case of plants? Yes, you're right. Leaf. So today we are going to see about leaf. Why leaf is called as the food factory of the plant or kitchen of the plant? Because it makes the food for the plant. Children, do you know why leaf appears in green? It is due to the green color pigment, chlorophyll. What is the use of chlorophyll, children? Chlorophyll traps the sun's energy and the carbon dioxide, air and water, and it makes the food for the plant. That's why leaf is the essential part of the plant. And in all the plants you can see the green color part that is attached to the branches. So each of the green part is called a leaf of the plant. Children, do all the plants have the same type of leaves? No, it varies in shape, size and texture. Okay, shape and size you know. What is texture? See here children, I am touching this leaf, it is rough. This surface is rough. I am touching this leaf, it is smooth. So this is called as texture. So different kinds of plants have different kinds of leaves. It varies in shape, size and texture. Why? What is the reason? Because it helps the plants to survive in the surroundings. How our skin protects our body, in the same way, it helps the plants to survive in the surroundings. Children, here let me show the different kinds of leaves. Have you seen this leaf, children? What is this? This is the leaf of papaya. Look at this shape, children. It looks like a hand shaped. So, papaya have got the hand shaped leaf. Have you all seen this leaf, children? This is the leaf of peepal tree. So, look at this shape, children. It is broadly oval in shape and it has the sharp tool tip. And see this leaf, children. This is a leaf of guava. You all love to eat guava, isn't it? It looks like oval. It is oval in shape. Have you all seen the leaf of neem and rose? The edges will be rough. So it does not have a smooth edge. So leaf of neem as well as rose, they have got the toothed edge. So like this, different kinds of plants have different kinds of leaves. It varies in shape, size and texture. Now let us see about the uses of leaves, children. Now let us see about the uses of a leaf. Children, nowadays we have slate, notebooks to write. But in olden days they don't have notebooks or papers, isn't it? So they used to write on palm leaves. During summer, we used to eat ice apple, isn't it children? From where we will get that ice apple? From palm tree. So in olden days, people used to write on palm leaves. Also, banana leaf are often used as the plates for eating food. Children, instead of using plastic plates, paper plates, you can use banana leaf to serve the food. Once you try, children, if you serve the food in banana leaf, it adds good aroma. Aroma means nice fragrance, nice smell. Even I love that smell. Also, it has the medicinal value. It cleanses the blood. It purifies our blood. Also, it protects from skin diseases. Yes. So, whenever you get the chance to serve the food in banana leaf, you serve the food in banana leaf and you try it, children. Also, whenever mother is preparing any food items, she used to garnish the food items with curry leaves, that is curry patta we used to say, isn't it, children? Mint, pudina, coriander, dhania, isn't it, children? So, it adds good aroma, means good fragrance, nice smell, isn't it? Also, it has the medicinal value. Curry leaves are good for eyesight and help to cure diarrhea, that is loose motion. See, children, now onwards, you should have curry leaves along with your food. You should not throw it, isn't it? Because it is good for your eyesight. And whenever we have cold or cough, you can add the tulsi leaves in tea and you can have it, so that it helps to cure cough and cold. Also, neem leaves also have the medicinal values, children. It protects the clothes and other items from insects, so that you can put few neem leaves in your cupboard, as well as in any items, like if you're storing the pulses or raw rice in any container, means you can put few of the neem leaves, so that it protects the food items, it protects any clothes from insects. Okay. And we also eat the leaves of many plants as vegetables, such as, what is this? Spinach, fenugreek, methi, cabbage and mustard. Isn't it, children? And apart from this, artificially also we can see the leaf designs in wallpapers, wall hangers, sari borders, temple carvings, paintings, isn't it, children? It gives a good and attractive look. I hope you all have understood about the different shapes, texture of leaf, also uses of leaf. Regarding this chapter, I would like to give one activity, children. Even you will enjoy that activity. You no need to go outside. It is not safe for you. In your garden itself, you can find out different kinds of leaves, isn't it? Take one A4 sheet, collect different kinds of leaves. Let it be 4 to 5 leaves and stick it and label the leaf. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Keep smiling.